Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cootie catcher, which you can use to test yourself and your friends and your family on the 8 stages of plant growth. It's a fun and creative way to learn about how plants grow. Let's get going. For this activity, you'll need to have some square paper. I have coloured origami square paper at home, but if you're unable to get hold of this, simply take a look at our Easter bookmark activity, which shows you how to turn A4 sheet of paper into a square. You'll also need some coloured pens and pencils and a copy of the worksheet for guidance. Follow me carefully as I fold the paper into the cootie catcher. Remember, you can also find the instructions on the worksheet if you need more help. On the top 4 sections of the cootie catcher, you should draw yourselves 4 brightly coloured and labelled plants. I'm drawing plants found in Morocco and England, such as sunflowers and lavender. Do you recognise them? Why not draw other plants, perhaps a selection of fruit and vegetables that the countries both share, such as carrots and potatoes? The choice is yours and you have lots to choose from. On the reverse of your drawings, there should be 8 triangular sections. Number these sections from 1 to 8. Under each flap, you should draw and label the corresponding stages of plant growth. For example, under flap number 1, you should draw stage 1, which is seeds, and write a few words or phrases which describe that stage, such as reproduction. Follow this same pattern until you've drawn and labelled all 8 stages, like I'm doing here. If you want to make the game harder, add a few words or phrases that describe each of the stages so that you can test yourself more thoroughly. Now it's time to play the game, so get your friend to pick one of the plants that you've drawn on the top. So say we pick olive tree, you spell out olive tree, O-L-I-V-E-T-R-E-E. Pick a number, count to that number, 1, 2, 3. And pick one of the other numbers and then test them on what's underneath the flap. So I'll pick 5, so I'll test you on what stage 5 of plant growth is, and you'll describe to me what vegetable it is. It's that easy, and you can play this over and over again until you've memorised every stage. Have fun!